everybody, this is Jerry Almonte De Leon here to present an open quantum project. It's the quantum sha256 hash. Okay, we successfully converted the quantum, the classical, this is the classical hash, the classical sha256 to its quantum version right here. This is the quantum hash 256. It uses superposition, entanglement, quantum circuits, quantum gates to output identical as the classical version. Okay. We created the app too, where you could come try it. The app is in quantum sha256.ca. You could come try the app, and instead of working with the back end, right here, process hash. As you can see, you get the output of the hex, the qubits. You get the qubit output, and you get the output of the hex of the qubits measured and converted to hex right here. Okay, now you can convert the qubits to hex to get the exact, to see if it match. Yeah. And you can run in the classical version too. Here you go. This is the classical version. As you can see, the outputs are identical. So the classical version outputs identical as the quantum version. It makes it a perfect and validated implementation of the quantum sha256. You guys could even download files. Download files here. Oh, this is actually a script, but it'll work too. You see, it works too. Let's download the same script. Download the same script, process it. As you can see, convert it to hex. As you can see, it's the exact same output, identical. If I bring you guys over here, try this in the back end. You guys just could, it's an open source project, so it's dual licensing. It's MIT open source, and it has a commercial licensing if you want to use it for your project or for your company. Okay, you could just download the repo or clone it right here. Okay, we already downloaded it. We already have it right here. So you might have to install pipe, install Cirq. Okay, but I already installed it. So we're gonna run the algorithm. The first script is the quantum algorithm, and the classical algorithm running hello world as the test script. Okay. As you can see, the outputs are identical again. It outputs identical, match. Yes, it's a match. And I also put the algorithm separately, where you could put a custom input and you could test it out yourself. You see here it asks you what you want to run in the algorithm. Let's run Jerry 269. Here it gives you the output in qubits and measured and converted to hex right here, and it gives you the qubits right here. Okay, now let's try it with the classical version, see if the output is the same. Python. Okay, it asks you what you want to input. Jerry space 613. It's important that the syntax is exactly the same, because one little difference will completely change the hash. Okay, and here you go. This is the hash from the classical version. This is the hash from the quantum version. And this makes it the most secure in the world, because the when it's in qubits, it's in superposition. So, which means it could be anything between the 1 and the 0. Not like qubits that are only 1s or 0. Here it could be anything in between. All the algebraic possibilities, but it's a sphere. So all the algebraic possibility all around the sphere, because it's a physical qubit. All around the sphere. It gives it infinite possibility, make it uncomputable to find the input. Okay, so it makes it unbreakable. Yeah, and you guys can feel free to come try it on the app. We even created an AI to assist you, to help. Here you go. Hello. Welcome to Open Quantum's Quantum SHA256 project. How can I assist you today? What is you see, the AI will assist you, will help you. You see, the Quantum SHA256 is a component were developed by Jerry Almonte De Leon and Open Quantum's AI team. Jerry Almonte De Leon is recognized as a pioneer in the quantum cryptography and was the first to convert the SHA256 to quantum Grover, as well as the hybrid quantum RSA. Yeah, you guys are gonna see my hybrid quantum RSA in another video. So this was the SHA256, the Quantum SHA256. It's up for licensing, dual license, or commercial and MIT, open source. So feel free to try it. You guys have a great day.